Hi everyone! Today we're practicing cooking sentences. Ready? Let's go!
I preheat the oven. I preheat the oven. I measure the flour. I measure the flour. I peel the potatoes. I peel the potatoes. I chop the onion. I chop the onion. I dice the tomatoes. I dice the tomatoes. I mince the garlic. I mince the garlic. I grate the cheese. I grate the cheese. I marinate the chicken. I marinate the chicken. I knead the dough. I knead the dough. I whisk the eggs. I whisk the eggs. I beat the butter. I beat the butter. I season the dish. I season the dish. I drizzle the oil. I drizzle the oil. I saute the vegetables. I saute the vegetables. I simmer the sauce. I simmer the sauce. I boil the pasta. I boil the pasta. I roast the chicken. I roast the chicken. I fry the egg. I fry the egg. Ooh. I cover the pot. I cover the pot. I shred the chicken. I shred the chicken. I taste the soup. I taste the soup. I adjust the seasoning. I adjust the seasoning.
Perfect. Just one more adjustment.
I plate the dish. I plate the dish.
There, ready.
I portion the food. I portion the food. I serve the meal. I serve the meal.
Wonderful! You just practiced cooking sentences. Subscribe for more English practice. See you next time!